Hey there, Shawn Bayley. Welcome to this video. And today we're going to talk about the ultimate seven-figure coaching funnel. Now, I actually learned about this funnel from working with Millionaire coaches. There's two of them there. On the left is my friend Dominic Carney, and on the right is my friend Josue Pena. And I worked with both of these individuals, and I learned a lot from them, from doing presentations for them, as well as doing copywriting and offer coaching for some of their actual clients. Now, the cool thing about Dom is that when we first got together and I created a presentation for him, that thing worked incredibly well. He ran some traffic to it, and that thing produced $28,600 in just 30 days, from June 1st to June 30th. So it worked so well that we actually kept in touch. And here's a conversation between us here as we were discussing me creating another presentation for a friend of his because his original presentation worked so well. And next is Josue Pena, and he's standing there with his 2 Comma Club award, meaning that he has earned $1 million online with his sales funnel. And here you can see with Josue, here's a conversation between me and one of his clients as we were discussing working together on his video sales letter, working on his presentation, doing some offer coaching for him. And you can see at the end there, he talks about how amazing I am, which is a true fact. So the cool thing is that both of these 2 millionaire coaches, Josue and Dom, both have received 2 Comma Club awards. And these 2 millionaire coaches had one thing in common, and that was the type of sales funnel that they used. And I'm going to go and dive into that and show you that exact funnel right now. Okay, so here we are over in the ClickFunnels, and you can see the cool thing about this coaching funnel, this 7-figure coaching funnel, is that there's only 4 steps to it. So let's go through all of them here so you can see what's involved. So the first step here is our landing page. So we want to have some type of landing page set up so that we can go and actually collect email addresses. This is to build our list of leads, because some people might come here, they might be interested in what we're offering, but they might not be able to invest in it or take action on it at this particular moment. But because we've got them on an email list, we can go and keep in contact with them and follow up with them and get them to convert later down the line here. So we can have them come in through a variety of ways. We can have them come in because of a case study, some type of presentation, a video, something that we're going to show them in order to get them to opt in. All I have to do is just click the button, and then we've got a pop-up come up, and we can go and have them enter their information, send the case study, and that's going to take them to the next stage in the funnel here. So the second page of these 4 pages is where we actually have an assessment set up along with our main advanced sales presentation. So this sales presentation isn't your typical webinar because this is a lot shorter. People's attention spans, it's a lot to ask someone to sit through a 90-minute or 2-hour or 2.5-hour or even 3-hour presentation. Like, some people still do those types of presentations that are that long, and it works for them, and that's great. But I'm a believer in kind of a shorter presentation just because people have shorter attention spans. So if you can, kind of compress and go more straight directly to the offer than doing a long-form webinar, I think it yields better results. And that's what those 2 million dollar coaches were using, is that type of presentation in this type of funnel. So here we've got our video presentation that they're going to watch. And once they've watched it, it's, like I say, shorter than a webinar. So they've watched it and now they're interested. And then we just have a simple assessment form on the side here where people can go and fill out all the information that we want so that we have some information in advance before they get on a call with us. Below that, we can put in some success stories, some testimonials, and basically we're adding proof elements here so they can see not only has this process worked, not only does this process work, but it's worked for other people as well. So that's why we have these testimonials and information on the page below our video and our assessment form. So once they fill out the assessment form here, the next stage of the funnel is to direct them to where they can go and schedule the call. So here we've got on our headline, last step, schedule the best time for you to talk. And then basically in here, we just insert the embed code for whatever scheduling software that we're using, right? Like in Calendly, you can have people go right over to Calendly and visit the link there, or you can have, once you set up your own personal calendar there, you'll get what's called an embed code, and then you just come here, paste it in using a little bit of, it's just literally copying and pasting some code, and then it would show up underneath here so they don't have to go to like another page after this. They would basically just see your calendar availability right underneath and pick a day and a time that they want, hit submit, and boom, they're in. And then the last step of the funnel here is where we've got basically a confirmation page. So we can set this up so that once someone books an appointment, then they go to this page here. So this one is a little bit optional. The main thing is getting them on the call. But with this one, we can add a little bit more information. If we need to give them some info about what they should prepare for, bring with them, how to get ready for the call so they can, get the most out of the call when it actually goes down here. So we can have that, a little video underneath, and then again, some information about you and a couple of authority builders here. So here's where we get to brag about our stats, talk about how great we are, and again, we can include some more testimonials, some more third-party proof here. And if you don't have those things, that's fine, right? We can take these sections out as needed here. Say we don't have any, third-party proof as far as podcasts, blogs, or guest articles. Boom, we just take that section out, and then we're good. So that's it. That's the 4-step funnel for what I call the 7-figure coaching funnel. And great news is that all you have to do is go down to the description underneath this video, and I've got a way for you to get access, and you can download and throw this exact funnel into your own setup and customize it for yourself and deploy this thing faster than going and building it out yourself. So thanks for watching this video. Just click down below to get access to this shared funnel, and I'll see you in the next video.